this is Rob with Road Dirt, and we are at Woodstock, Georgia's Dixie Speedway for the American Flat Track Racing events. And we got a special invite to be a part of taking a few hot laps around the track on the new Honda Sport Talon. How could I pass that up? Gonna get out on the track out there and do a few hot laps with this thing in one of those. What could possibly go wrong, like Ted Edwards says? This should get interesting. So we're getting ready to take a few hot laps in this thing around that track. Tell us a little bit about the Honda Talon Sport.
This is the Honda Talon Sport four-seater.
Four-seater?
Yes, you can obviously have front passengers and rear.
Oh yeah.
It has the same 1000cc engine.
1000cc.
Four-wheel drive, all sport. You can do two-wheel, any way you like it. These obviously we have a different compound tire on. We have a road tire, which is it's usually off-road. But this is it has the same compound as our race tires.
Oh
here,
yeah.
So we're actually laying down some positive rubber on the track.
Cool.
It makes it look a little different having the oddball tire on there, but
Yeah.
there's a reason for it. We don't tear up the track, and we actually help the track. So.
Good deal. Tell me your name.
Richie Morris.
Richie Morris.
Yes, I run the our singles, the Honda singles flat track team here.
Sweet. That is fantastic. I'm looking forward to riding with you here in a minute.
All right, cool. Glad to have you out.
Yeah, man.
Yes, too.
Perfect. Thank you for the invite, Helen. I appreciate you running me down yesterday with that. That was awesome. Here we go, baby. So much.
You're welcome.
Jeez, that was insane. That's so much fun. Did about 5 laps out there on it, man. Check this out. They got a crew going in that one. That's pretty wild. If you ever get a chance to ride one of these, take a demo on it. I'm sold, man. That was fun. That thing was hilariously crazy quick around there too, man. Unbelievable. So. It's got a 1000cc twin. Apparently it's the same engine that they put in the Africa Twin. Only, of course, it's hopped up a little bit more, especially in that thing. The Honda Talon Sport. If you get a chance to take a demo in one, definitely do it. Crazy, man. Good time.